everybody, welcome on into our kitchen, and this is Big Game Made Easy.
Yeah, careful, it's like paper mache.
Hey, does your football do that? No? Well, you'd want our football then, okay?
Where do you think we're from?
I don't know.
Give it away.
I don't know. But
E-A-G-L-E-S. Eagles.
Thank you. Just wanted to make sure. We interrupt this program for a quick commercial break. All right, so we have two fun recipes that are super easy to get you game day ready, because who doesn't love a chili bowl and who doesn't want it in something that looks like a football? Okay. I'm just gonna say. All right, so all ready to save time. Took 2 sweet potatoes.
Okay.
I actually put a little salt and pepper in them, put them in the oven, got them a little soft, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my cinnamon.
That smells so...
Well, once you add in cinnamon, salt, pepper, sweet potatoes, and oil.
Just give that to me and
I've never met anything, I mean, we don't need to do anything further than this.
It's healthy.
Done. It's
a sweet potato.
It's a sweet potato. You're right.
It's healthy.
You say potato, I say potato.
Tomato.
Tomato. Potato. Let's call the whole thing off.
Oh.
You know we sing almost every episode.
Do we?
You guys are so lucky. You're welcome. Okay.
It's the singing kitchen.
It's the singing kitchen.
It's
yeah,
musical.
sure. All right, so now you can get 4 cans of your favorite store-bought chili.
Oh, yeah,
okay,
I love this.
So, by the way, this is Big Game Easy by Woodland. Woodland is one of my absolute favorite patterns.
Yeah,
and
me
one of the
too.
newer ones. So if you're looking for something maybe a little more neutral, come on in, because we have great colors and the Woodland pattern is beautiful.
Yeah.
So this is a 3-quart oval. Helper handles here on the side, which I love. And I'm actually using, I got a little on my arm. Seal the meal. I don't like that. Okay, hold on, please. Hold on.
No, I've known Tara for 18 years.
I'm just gonna use that glove.
I know that noise.
No.
It's only brought out a couple of times.
It's very rare. Again, the singing, the dancing, please don't get something like that on my arm.
Yes. Well,
Yes.
look, none of us really like food on our arms.
What do you mean?
I think that's
love food on my arms.
It's pretty, a generic
Yeah, it's pretty
thing.
universal. Yeah,
I think so,
food
too.
belongs in a dish or in your mouth. Okay,
Not
got
on your
it. Got
arms.
it. Just triple checking. All right, then we'd actually go ahead and take this. We're going to put it in the oven.
It smells, that cinnamon.
Right.
That's a fun little hack. So, because store bought, you got to make it your own.
Yeah.
That's how you make
I mean,
it
if you
your
have
own.
time to make your own chili, great. But if you don't, throw it all in there.
Yeah.
You did the sweet potatoes. You have all those great flavors. BRB.
Love
Be
that.
Right back.
And if you're loving Woodland, go to QVC.com, and if you just type in Woodland in the search bar, you will find all these gorgeous products. And we have it in like 4 or 5 different colors, so there's something for everyone. Tara, what I think is so great about the Woodland is that because it is our 21st anniversary, it matches everything back because it's that great solid.
And look at this. So here's what we love about it, right? Even heating all the way around, so I'm able to do 3 quarts of chili. And so this would be great just to go ahead and put it out just in this beautiful baker. But let's have some fun. This is Temp-tations when we're talking about what we like to call centertaining, having fun.
Yeah.
Look, you're going to take your rolls. Notice they're already
I'll never look at these
inspired.
rolls again.
I know.
By the way,
and all you're going to
thinking
do is go ahead and take the top off so that you're going to make little footballs for you to go ahead and put the chili in.
Move this over a tad.
I mean, come on. Look, there's number 1.
Number 1.
Here, you can save that for later.
Oh, perfect.
Don't say
bread.
I never gave you anything.
It's
okay?
true. I got
you can make croutons later. You can use that for any leftover bread that you have. I always do that. Yeah. All right. So look, I'm making little footballs.
I think this is so much fun.
It's
and
great.
Wait till you see, because I've already seen it.
We'll make 3.
The Finny product.
The Finny, she said.
Finny. We're very fancy over here at Temp-tations.
Yeah.
So
We're football fancy. Can't you tell?
football fancy.
Football fancy. Okay. Okay.
Do you watch, I know a lot of times we're working on Sundays, but do you enjoy watching football?
I do, actually. Very much so. Hold on. I'm going to slide this over this way.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't get any food on my arm.
I want to ask you your favorite team because you're already wearing it.
Right. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put some chili
I have to tell you, the
in my
cinnamon
football.
in this.
Doesn't it smell great?
Yeah.
Well, super savory, right? Cinnamon is such a great ingredient. I really should just be using a spoon, but I'm going to roll with this whole,
There's a
spreader.
little, there's a little
why?
ladle over there.
Why? This is so much more fun.
I think actually,
Look at the coordination I have here.
you get it so precisely into
What, what team wants to
football
sign
shirt.
me? What team wants to sign me?
What would you be? Kicker?
I
I think she'd be a kicker.
I'm 5'1". I'm not sure they'd allow me on the field. They'd be
No.
like, hey, Peanut, get out of here.
No,
Okay.
I think that fits right into the protocol for, is that what they're called? Kickers? Kickers?
Wow.
They kick the field goals. They kick off at the,
They
right?
kick off at the what?
At the start of the game. You know, for the World Series.
Right, exactly. Right.
Right?
You know the World Cup? Anybody see the World Cup with the football teams? See what I did there though? It was. All right, now let's make a football. I have my sour cream. And I love, just go ahead and put it in the squeeze containers. If you guys don't own squeeze containers, you need to. Like stat.
Do you want me to get you reference? Where's the football? Just so you know.
No, I think I got it. Thank you though.
I mean, just in case.
I'm like Picasso. I see it and then I can just go ahead and like duplicate it.
She's like Picasso, and she's a kicker, and
Right.
she designs stoneware,
Yes.
and she is a
Keep
sour
going.
cream artist.
Keep going.
And look, here's
going.
the inspo.
Yeah, and look it's like identical.
You're doing a great
My
job
hands
there.
weren't at all shaky. I mean, it's not like it's perfect.
You get a trophy, don't you think?
I should.
Yes, totally.
But all kidding aside, you guys, how cute is this to go ahead and serve chili footballs? Okay, so super easy, whether you make your own or you do store-bought. Put them in the rolls and have fun. I guarantee you, no one is doing this because it's so stinking cute.
I've never seen anything like that
Right?
before, and it's so much fun. Oh, Terry, know what you could do, and I know
Tell
you
me.
love this.
Tell
You
me,
could
tell
toast.
me.
You could then go toast that because you love toasted bread, don't
Well,
you?
I would have toasted it ahead of time.
What happened?
Nothing.
Did you hurt yourself?
I mean, I may have jammed my finger,
Was
but
it
it's all right.
hot?
I have 9 others. I'm fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't try this at home, kids.
A few injuries may occur.
We have no power tools. I have no gloves. This is like, we're focused on the big game, okay? That's what this one's all about.
Uh-huh.
All right,
What you got in there?
nothing yet.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
But I love covered pie dishes.
Yes.
Because this is a 2-quart baker as well as a great pie dish. So many different things that you can do in there. All right, I'm going to put my sour cream to the side. Here, hold that. Go team, go.
I should have brought pom-poms.
That would have been something. That
Go
would have
Team
been
Tara.
something.
Right?
Yes. All right.
What do we got here?
I'm getting all my seasoning and spices in
Oh,
here.
and those dipping dishes.
Oh, I get to chef-a-nod. I got my
my
knife.
favorite. Oh,
There is so much fun going on here.
Uh-huh.
Wait till I show you my hack on the tomatoes. You're going to be so excited.
How do you spell chiffonade?
Actually, I can tell you because it's written out here in this Chifffonade, I think. I mean, I may have read it over here, so for sure it's right. All right, in a medium bowl, whisk together your oil, your balsamic glaze.
Okay. Oil.
I'm gonna make it right in here if that's okay with you.
I love it, and I love the dipping dishes. These are my
absolute
absolute
fave.
fave for charcuterie boards.
Charcutes.
Love.
Then we're gonna go ahead and do our little glaze, which I love.
Ooh, look at that, nice
Get
and
everything
thick.
out of there. Yep. And then we're gonna put our garlic and
Garlic.
our spices.
Yum.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Here's my garlic.
Do you need like a
No, I
spatula?
got it.
I have a whole.
I know. You
whole
just sit there and look
arsenal
cute.
over here.
You just sit there and look cute.
This.
There's my garlic. You can either buy the one that's already, Ed loves to buy the garlic that's already made. He loves to buy the garlic that's already made.
We couldn't hear you.
And then we're going to put all of our seasoning up in here.
I do too. The chopped garlic.
Yes. So this is going to be the base for our awesome tomato and mutts. Lisa
Smells
loves when I say
so
mutts.
good. The mutts.
Mutsy, mutsy, mutts. Okay, so there we're going to go there.
Okay.
Now I'm going to do a little chiffonade.
Okay.
And put that to the side.
Yes.
I'm very, very particular about how I do this. No.
I see that everyone is lined up identically. I saw
But
the
you know
time and
what?
care.
It'll be gorgeous.
Yes, it
And
will.
there is nothing better than the smell of fresh basil.
Add it to garlic.
I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say it. Hello.
Look at that. You grow your own basil in the summer, don't you?
Yes, I do. Love it.
It's always great to grow some
Love
stuff.
it. And we actually grew some purple basil this year. Tastes exactly the same.
Does it?
I mean, someone can tell me something different, but to me, it tasted exactly the same.
Okay.
Okay.
But it looked fancy.
All right, you ready for like something that's gonna be like blow your mind?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Tomatoes. Okay, so we need to slice tomatoes.
All right.
I'm gonna take 2 plastic lids.
Okay.
Okay. I am going to put as many tomatoes that'll fit inside this plastic lid.
Okay.
I wanna make sure it's like nice and tight and compact. Thanks for always moving everything, Lise, so you can see everything. I don't want my chiffonade to get in the way.
Exactly. And we have to show off her mad kitchen skills over here.
They're mad. Mad. Maddening. Mad. Okay. Can we squeeze one more in there?
I think we can.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Then you revert. Ready?
I'm ready.
Reverse.
Okay.
So now you're going to leave a little bit of a space there,
Okay.
which is just awesome. Okay. Then you're going to take a very sharp knife and you're gonna go in. What's the matter, Lise?
Nothing.
And
Just
you're gonna go
wanted-
in
I don't want it to
between
come flying out the
one
other end.
side. I give it a little spin, and I'm gonna go through
Stop.
2 sides, and then would you like to see every single tomato is completely sliced?
That's very cool.
Okay, as opposed to sitting there, slice 1, slice 2, slice 3. Right. Okay.
That's awesome.
You're welcome. Okay. All right. Let's bring.
Great little hack.
Isn't that fun?
And I didn't think it was gonna work when you went in from the other side. I mean,
She doubted me.
no.
You see what happens? Do you see what happens there?
Oh, what's
then,
that?
by the way, the pearls. Do you ever get the pearls of the mutts?
Oh, I'm not getting it.
What? It went right in my mouth. It did not go down my shirt at all. Okay? Did you ever buy the pearls at the store? By the way,
The opening is like
it's a little wet.
an 1/1800 of a millimeter, and somehow that
Yes.
little pearl.
That is skill.
Went
Okay?
back.
That's exactly where I wanted it.
Uh-huh.
That's where it's going. Okay?
That's perfect.
Yes. It was perfect, wasn't it?
You just keep going. I'm just gonna watch.
So, if you've ever tried the pearls, careful if you're going to toss them up and catch them.
Yeah.
Okay? It's usually part of my repertoire, but not today. Today I'm now wearing Mutt's perfume.
It's the best thing that happened today.
So you're going to get everything nice and incorporated. Look how beautiful this is. Get the garlic in there. Everything's
It
all
smells
stirred, doesn't it?
delish.
Isn't it awesome?
Uh-huh.
Love. And then we're going to top it with the beautiful basil.
Oh yeah.
And then we can serve it individually. We have like our soup and sandwiches that are so
I
great.
love this. Healthy.
Or we can just eat jumper.
Oh no.
Or we can just eat
Uh-oh.
right out of.
I love this. I love the covered lid on the pie
Yes.
plate because you think of a pie plate as a pie plate,
Yes.
but no, Tara has now turned it into
A baker or a serving bowl. And you know what's nice
love.
also? This takes you like straight through to every season. And if you brought this outside in the summertime, it'll keep it from the buggies out, right?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Well, look, I already pre-made
Oh,
a little for you.
okay.
All right. You can
Just
eat
something
it.
smaller?
Yeah, no. Yeah, you can eat with that. Actually, use the football. Throw it in your mouth. See if you can catch it. You're like, I'm going to pass on that one.
this looks
But look how great
delish.
these are. I love our little soup and sandwich because it's so perfect for like a little salad. It'll keep cold things cold longer.
It's delicious.
It is. Yes.
The pearls are a good little trick because slicing nuts.
I know. And even though it comes pre-sliced in like the slices, I just got a red pepper flake. How you doing? Even though, you can leave those out if you want. Even though it comes sliced in those big ovals,
I'm sorry.
it's nice to have the consistency. I like, especially when I'm making a salad, Lisa knows this, I chop the whole thing like to death. So I love the fact that everything's uniform. So get the pearls because they're really fun. And they're easy to toss into your mouth, clearly. I'm sorry, what?
It's absolutely delicious.
Delish. So super fun, little game day ready with Woodland. So you have a fun little salad and then you have like a chili bowl. Like my job is done. Now it's just the team has to win. Okay?
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen. Lisa said, I'm sorry.
A team is
Tell
going
us your
to
prediction. A team is gonna win.
A team is going to win the U.S. Open. I know it.
If not the U.S. Open, for sure. Something else that's sports related.
And you're going to become a champion
Of Wimbledon.
Yes. No, mozzarella pearl thrower.
Yes, duh. I already am. I'm in the Guinness Book of World Records for the most amount of misses. Okay? Beat that.
Hey, if this Temp-tations thing doesn't work out,
Right.
you got
I
a new
can do that.
career.
All right, you guys, try these, especially that football. It's super duper fun. And go team, go. See you guys soon.